Hey guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to set up infinite alerts for multiple coins in TradingView. If you are either willing to buy or sell at any point, watch this video carefully. So first of all, we have to select a coin, click on the coin. Now select any coin according to your preference. For example, I am going with this coin, Ethereum. Now after selecting, here in right side at TradingView, you are seeing alarm icon, click on it. Now click on create an alert. Now choose settings according to your preferences. Enter your alert name. Go to notifications setting. Here you can choose notifications according to your preference. After setting everything, you can click on create alert. Your alert has been created. Now, if you are willing to create another alert for another coin, simply repeat the process. Click on the coin, choose a coin. Now again, go to alert section, click on plus icon, choose settings according to your preferences. After adjusting settings and notifications, you can simply save your alert. So in this way, you can set up infinite alerts on TradingView. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.